Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell as I keep you up to date with the markets, both the stock market and the crypto market, and share with you guys what I'm doing right or wrong. Got a lot to get into today. I'm just playing with the camera angles just so I don't get rusty. All right, let's look at what's going on. Look at these, good people. These are all of the new spot Bitcoin ETFs, right? Here's a few, it's a handful, right? A handful, should I say. You got ARK. These are the ticker symbols for those of you that don't know. Excuse me. You got ARK, you got Bitwise, you got Fidelity, Franklin Bitcoin, Grayscale, all right? You see them all here. iShare Bitcoin, this is actually BlackRock's, IBIT. Now, some of these are not yet live yet, but a lot of them are, okay? So let's just backtrack. This is what happened this morning. Dollar jumps as U.S. Consumer Price Index beats expectations. CPI came out this morning. And yes, I will get to the Bitcoin miners, and crypto, and all of that. But you got to understand what's going on with the overall market, even for those of you that are in Bitcoin miners, because they are stock, right? We got to keep our eye on the price. The headline consumer price index rose 0.3% last month for an annual gain of 3.4%. Remember, annual gain of 3.4% against expectations of 0.2% and 3.2% respectively, okay? So it was higher than was expected, all right? Let's keep everything in perspective. So what did that do? In the pre-markets dropped, but they were trying to fight back up. When I say the pre-markets, I mean the Dow, the major indices, the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ, right? And so they were fighting back up, but then the bears took over and forced it back down, right? So for those of you that are not understanding what bear and bull is, a bull gouges up and a bear gouges down. So a bull market means that the market is going up. A bear means it's coming down, right? We got to keep everybody going. All right, let's get back to the charts. Should I say the data? Here's what's going on right now at this point, because this is going to answer some of your questions about the Bitcoin miners. Remember, the Bitcoin miners are tied to crypto, but what are they? They are stock. The market is down. Red, red, red. The Dow, down. NASDAQ, down. S&P, down. So I don't want you guys to get twisted. I don't want you guys to be have monotunnel and be focused on one thing. We got to keep our eyes on everything. I bring you the data and you make a decision. Having said that, I want you to know that someone said, hey, I don't even look at the charts. I don't look at anything. I just follow you. Don't do that. Do not do that. Don't do that. Never follow anybody blindly. I'm just a guy on YouTube talking. I bring stuff to you guys. There's opportunity when I bring them to you. But trust me, I am not 100% right. All right. I joked yesterday about, Pelosi, and somebody got on my case. Don't make fun about, her. She's a respectable woman and all of that. Listen, I'm not going to get into that. All I'm saying, the reason why I poke at that is because, look at the average salary of the people in Washington, right? Under 150, right? The average salary, let's say 150. But over 60% of them are millionaires. You do the math, because they make the rules. He who has the goal makes the rules. They make the rules that sets the markets up so they could outperform the S&P 500 every time, right? They can outperform the entire stock market every time. They get the information before we do. Yeah, Larry, there's laws. That's why they're married, so they can get their mates to do it, right? So I'm just telling you guys, both sides, not just the Dems, but the reps and the Dems. They both play these games, right? So, and I'm out here trying to, some of you got your heads buried in the sand, and I'm trying to pull your heads out of the sand and get you to see the whole picture so we can make money. Let's keep going. All right, this is what happened. Spot ETF yesterday, they all got approved. All right, 11 of them got approved. Now, Gary Gensler held his nose and approved these. He did not want to do this. He just wanted this to be over. I mean, this was defining the man's entire existence, right? So what is that doing to crypto? Let's go to the crypto bubble. This is what's happening to crypto. It's still green, right? It's popping green. Everything green. Look at that. Bonk, 14%. Again, ADA, 13%, right? These are some of the popular ones. Mina, right? Look at that, 13%. We can see them, right? And these are always tamed, right? DOT, 14%. So my DOT is up, my Doge is up, you know, my Bonk is up. I mean, everything. Polygon, SHIB is up 6.4%. My ETH is up. Look at that. And so I'm bringing this to you guys because we got a deeper discussion to have. All right, just hold with me. All right, we're going to look at everything. So now I'm going to tell you guys that there's never one size fit all. I sold some of my Bitcoin this morning, and I'm telling you, but I told in the Discord, I posted when I was selling. I sold some Bitcoin this morning at 48, right? Now, what I sold was the Bitcoin that I put in another portfolio just to trade. I put it in that portfolio just for a swing trade. Larry, why would you buy it? And you know, we're in the accumulation phase and the markup is yet to happen. It's not going to be a straight line up, good people. I'm going to show you the crypto miners to prove it to you. It's not going to be a straight line up. And I know this, right? My major Bitcoin, which is about 80% of my Bitcoin, I'm keeping because I bought it at a lower price. But remember when I was telling you guys I had some Bitcoin that I bought around 18 that I bought for a swing? That I bought for a swing. I know that's lower, but that's when I bought it. I'm just being straight with you guys. I wish it was the bigger that I bought at 18. The bigger I bought just under 25. So it was a 24 or something. So these are the facts. I stick to my plans. Never blindly follow me. You do what's best for you and do your own due diligence and your own study. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But I do lay out some good cases. You guys must agree. And no one's correct. So I sold it this morning. But now it has cooled off. So this morning it popped up to 49. 48, 49. I sold at 48. Okay, it was 48 and some change. I sold my swing trade Bitcoin at 48, which was about 20% of what I had. The rest of it, maybe 22%. But the rest of my Bitcoin, I'm holding, right? I'm holding for this entire cycle as of right now. Okay, and I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. I'll be straight with you guys. So that's what I did. Now, here's why one size doesn't fit all. You may have bought it at a higher price. So what your focus is different. Don't listen to these people. I don't want nobody to come on this page and say, don't sell HODL. Go away. Unsubscribe, please. I don't want none of this foolishness. I don't want none of this HODL foolishness. We gonna make money. And we gonna let these hodlers make a fool of themselves yet again. Y'all remember what happened last season. All right, let's keep it going. All right, let's see what's happening with the crypto miners. Now, let's go here and let's look at this. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a breath and let's just look at that. The crypto miners, the Bitcoin miners, are absolutely tanking. And you know, you guys know, I thought it would. Now, this is not a I told you, I'm not getting into that. I thought it would tank. I absolutely did. That's why I'm out. I'm out because I thought this would happen. This simply tells me that it was priced in. And for those of you that don't know what priced in is, that just means that the run up was already priced in. Okay, that's what that means. So now This run up of the spot ETFs being approved was already priced into these Bitcoin miners. Remember, I said too much too quick. Now, here's what I want to tell you guys. Do not follow me. I'm doing what's best for me. If I get something at a lower price, what I'm trying to do may be different than what you're trying to do. You got to look at your age. If you're younger, you have time to do whatever, a lot of time. I ain't 16, so my thing is different. But you could take the information that I'm giving you guys and make money if you really listen. Now, from this point on, I want you to do what you want to do with these crypto miners. Never blindly follow me. Don't do that. Please, please do not do that. So if you look at this, and for those of you that says, yeah, but I lost money. No, well, let's go back. This is when? December 26th is when I started telling you guys, don't say I told you so. I said, take some profit, blah, 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 right? There it is. There's the date, December 26th. If you look at it, it's even worse now. If you look at, that was December 26th, right? So that was December 26th. Let's just go to Mara and let's go a month out. And let's go December 26th, right? Here we go, right here, December 26th. So for those of you that bought it real low with me and we made a ton of money, even if you sold right there, boom, I saved you about 18% bloodbath. So you're still down 18%. You're not up, you're down. Did I sell at the top? Nope. Did I tell you to start taking profit at the top? Nope. But look at this. We profited from here to here, right? And then so what if we didn't get this? No one has a crystal ball except, you know. But anyway, all right, so let's go back. Let's look at what's going on. These are all cooling off, which means that it was baked into the price. That's what I wanted to get on here and tell you guys. Don't follow me. Now, this changes everything. Everything changes now because these spot ETFs are doing different things and they're going to take some of the market share. Just remember that. These spot ETFs are going to take some of the market share and it may shift things this cycle with these Bitcoin mining companies. Look at this. These are two of the spot ETFs that are now live and are trading. This is ARK and this is Grayscale. The reason why I picked these two, this one has 6 months, 0 fees, right? So you would think it would be running the most. This has the lowest fee, which is 0 for 6 months, and then it's going to go up. Grayscale has the highest fees. But look at Grayscale, up 100%, and ARK is down 6%, okay? That was kind of expected for things to be down. I didn't expect Grayscale to be up. That was a surprise. So what are you saying, Larry? What I'm saying is that we got out at the right time. And I'm also saying that with these crypto miners, these Bitcoin miners, do your own due diligence. Don't follow me. I already made money with all of them. I made money with all of them. I didn't lose a dime. I made great gains with all of them. Some of you bought at the top. And if you still got out when I told you to get out, you are better for being out and not taking another bath today. But I'm also going to tell you guys that have the class. What class, Larry? This class, Stock Up You, that in this chapter, cryptocurrency, I am going to post another class tonight, another lesson tonight about the Bitcoin miners. And we will actually reveal what we think, where we think the actual date of the halving is, okay? So that's going to be posted tonight for those of you that have the class. For those of you that don't, it will be the top link below, or you may see something that click on this video. Listen, stop trading and learn if you're just losing money, all right? That's all I'm going to say. Stop trading and learn if you're going to lose money, right? So I did that. CPI came out this morning. I have the whole CPI report. I'm not going to post that in this one. You guys saw that. And yeah, I covered everything. All right, good people. I'm not going to drag this one out. I just wanted to just spit a lot of information. That's old school talk. Spit a lot of information. Sorry about that. For those of you that's young, you're going, what? Really? All right. Hey, good people. We're going to continue to be ourselves. We're going to continue to stay positive. Don't over invest. Don't put too much money into crypto, because crypto is extremely volatile. There's nothing for crypto to do a 25%, 30% dip, even in the markup phase. All right. And so listen, there is so much money to be made right now with crypto. I believe that these spot ETFs is a major game changer, and it's going to bring billions into the crypto space, right? That's what I believe. But it's going to take some time. It's not going to be a straight line up, all right? There will be fake outs, false starts. But if you know where you are and you know what you're doing, you can make money, right? Leave me a comment. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Make sure to invest in yourself first. Take the class.